Hey collectors, Jeremy O here. Today we're going to open up some more Grossville cards. I got 8 more packs of Grossville High and 9 more packs of Bathroom Buddies. Let's open them, see what we get. Alright collectors, here we are. We're going to start with the Grossville High again. Hopefully these ones we can see a little better. That one's double wrapped. Okay, that's weird. No gum, huh? Yeah, I'm just going to go through these ones quick. I mean, I think these might actually be my doubles from my last time, and that's why they look so familiar. Didn't have gum, so we'll see when we get to these ones. Is that sealed? But at least the focus is a little better today. Yeah, Bullpen Glen. Yeah, see, this is a new one. Love Sick Rick. Tyrant. Yeah, I think these are all new ones, so I mean these are looking pretty good. Oh, sorry, I dropped them. Nurse Curse. Chuck E. Chews. All of them are all pretty cool. Like I said, at the end I'll go ahead and put them all on down and show you my favorites and all that. So we're just gonna sit them aside for now. Number 2. Like I said, these were in from '86. They're just a little gross card knockoff. They're not worth anything, but you know, it's just something I know I used to have when I was a kid, and I wanted to get them again just for the nostalgia. And it looks like I'm getting different ones from the last video, so that's nice. These are pretty cool. I like these ones. Coach Roach Bomb. Whole body English, huh? What's up with their face though? Geez. Alright. Number 3. Crusty gun. I think I had that one in the last one. These two, I had a couple doubles already. Brody Jody. Janitor Jim. Yeah, that's a new one, I'm pretty sure. It's pretty cool. Pretty boy Roy. Alright. Down to the last one of these. Get these out of the way real quick. We're just going to go ahead and go on to the Bathroom Buddies after this, and then we'll do an overview of everything when we're done. Square Rootski. Judy Cody. Clyde Clayton. These ones are some new ones. Crisscross, yeah. And Pam Hawks. All right, guys. That was them. I got some pretty cool ones I liked, so that was pretty good. And there were some new ones, so that makes me happy. At least I didn't get a whole bunch of doubles, but we'll do an overview later. Let's get on to the bathroom buddies. All right, here we are. We got 9 packs of these, but there's only 4 stickers in them, so they're going to go pretty quick. These ones are actually pretty good. These are done by Topps, and these were done in '96, so I got quite a few of them. I don't know if I'm going to get the whole set, but I'll be pretty close, but I hope I get it. So let's see what we get. Yeah, these ones must be 8 packs. These are my doubles from my last one, so I'll take those over there. Washed up Wayne. Dan Rather. Lapidary. Most of these look pretty familiar. Crabbed Grace. I know all of those look like I've already had them. Nothing new stuck out there. Hopefully we get some new ones. Like I said, there's only a few, not that many cards in this set, so that one actually looks new. Bandaged Brandon. Race and Mason, that one looks. Dead Fred, that one actually looks kind of new too. I like that one, that was pretty cool. Rich kid, huh? Using dollar bills. Tell me what you guys think of these down in the comments. I mean, I think they're pretty cool. I mean, there's not very many of them, and there's only so much you can do with bathrooms, but let's see what we get. Game Boyd, I'm pretty sure we already had that one. Grab Grace, we had that one. Yeah, these ones have 2 names, so I'm trying to get both names as well. Hot Rodney right there, I got both of his right just then, if I didn't already have them. Harping Barb. I always get the second one upside down for no reason. Grab Grace, I already had that one twice. Cyberspace and Jason, I think I got that one the last one. Alright, another double. Boom. Oh. These packs are dead. I like that one. I'm a cat. I got cats, you know. Scuba Sam, huh? It's the second of Game Boyd. Oh, I like this one a lot. Mark Attacked. I love the movie Mars Attacks, so anything that's got to do with that's pretty funny to me. So far, that's probably my best one. My favorite, at least. Ugh, come on, fighting this. Piper. You see that? It's killing me. Smalls, you're killing me. Hugh Hamill. the upside down one. Desperate Dan, going for the last piece on the roll. Jeez. Sorry if the cards look a little closer stuff. I had to do a new setup. My other setup broke and I just had to fix something to get this recorded. So we're going to try to get these videos done and have a good one. Now this looks super cut bad. Sandy Litter is the other name. Sandy. I don't think I've had that one. Larry Laptop, that was a good one. Got two backwards ones this time. Let's see what we got. Oh, Toxic Tom. That one's a good one. And boom. Oh, Sunken Duncan. Ooh. It's rough. And want me to get in this last one, I swear. No, don't. You'll see the end. Alright. Michael Mommy. I still like that one. Fartin' Martin, he's the GPK I told you from last one. Constipated. That's pretty funny. That's the Sec B name. And Small Paul. I think I had this one and the other one. I don't know if it was this name, but I'm pretty sure I had that card. Well, that's them. That wraps up the bathroom buddies and the Grossville highs. And we'll do an overview video here in a second, and I'll pick out my favorites and tell you about them. Hope you enjoyed it. I ended up getting about 33 of the 66 Grossville high cards, so I'm missing quite a few, but I'm still going to hold off on getting more. Most of the professors are my favorite arts. The ones on the top here are my favorite going down, so enjoy taking a closer look at them. I got one of each card in this set except for one, and I got a lot of the A and B names. The ones on the top are the ones I like a lot. You know me, I'm into more of the horror themed stuff, so I like the horror themed stuff, and a lot of the retro gaming stuff's pretty funny too. A lot of the old crude bathroom humor is pretty okay, but you know, some of them are hit and miss. Well, guys, we got some pretty decent cards. I don't think we completed either full set, but I don't know if I'll get more or not. I mean, I'll probably just chill with what I got for a while, but I'm definitely going to get some more Garbage Pail Kids and some more Gross Out cards to open eventually later. But up next, I'm going to have a Lego minifig video, so stay tuned for that. So, tell me which one was your favorite. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, keep collecting.